essentials of fitness is mind over matters. Think you can do it and half the battle is won. I would not stop at that just, but we also need to understand that different terrains demand different strenuous capabilities of your body to manage the different terrains or weather that you're going to face. But what really holds good is mind over matter. A little bit of a stretching exercise in the morning does help to have a relaxed seating on the bike as we munch miles. The most thing is, like as I mentioned, it's mind over matter and enthusiasm. I mean, this is very important. There will be good days, there will be bad days, but I'm a person with very little patience, and that's something that I've really worked upon. When things don't happen, I start breathing very slowly and, okay, how do we handle this? So, which is very important, because not only your physical movement and exercises that matter, because riding a bike, all your muscles in your body are in one way or the other trying to find its own exercise. What really does help is once you get off the bike, let's say in about 150 or 200 kilometers, when you want to take a hydration break, walk for a few meters up and down so that your knees will get its required exercise. Don't try to just stretch your knees when you're riding on the bike, because a jackass might just pop in out of nowhere. Nothing strenuous. I mean, I really have this question wondering. People ask me about my fitness. Is it something different that I do? I don't know. I don't. I mean, I get up in the morning, have a bath. I feel fresh. That's really matters. Mind, fresh. A coffee rejuvenates. And like the enthusiasm to lock my panniers on my bike and off I go into a new horizon. That's really important. I mean, what is it that you would like to see? The Josh should never go down. That's really important, because that's again mind over matters. But other than that, food also plays a very, very important role. I would really look at a lot of intake of fibers, fruits, a lot of water, and of course, when you're winding down for the night, a small pint of beer doesn't really make much of a difference, but then it helps get you a good sleep for the next day.